A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, Y, and Z, Y, and Z. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? I am Muhammad Mansha and I'll teach you English alphabet. Last time we learned first 7 letters of alphabet starting from A to G. Yes, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. And of course their sounds. Do you remember their sounds? A, B, K, D, E and J. Okay. Next our letter is 8th. That is H with H sound. Which one? H sound. And its number is 8. Starting from A to H. And examples of this letter: H for hen, H for horse, H for hero. Yes, you can think the names of your friends. Yes? Any name? Haris. Good. Okay. Hair, hand. These are examples with letter H. And its sound is ha. What? Ha. We'll learn how to write this letter by using dotted sheets, dotted lines. And this worksheet will help you to write this letter H. Thank you. Now we are on page number 14 of your book. Yes, and the letter is H. And H is 8th letter of alphabet. Yes, it gives H sound. For example, helicopter, horse, honey. Yes, helicopter, horse, honey. Good. Yeah. Now you can see 2 blocks on the same page. One block, it is having different letters. Yes, and you can just name these letters and try to find out H from first block. You can put your finger on H. Yes, good. And later on you can name these letters one by one. Yes, good. Now move on to the next block on the same page. It is carrying different letters. Simply you can read and match the letters with same letters. Good.